Assalamu alaikum class. I hope all of you are fine. So today we will learn the basics. Just a minute. Okay, let's start. Okay, today we will learn our third chapter. It's a third lecture of uh, this week. Now we will discuss the new chapter that is unit number 3, place value, ordering and rounding. So here we have the topic that we will discuss in this class, and we also discuss what we will learn today and what we will learn in future, inshallah. So first of all, chapter name is place value, ordering and rounding. Okay, so understand first what is decimal, then we will understand what is multiply and divide. Okay, so and then we will discuss ordering, so how we order the decimal numbers. Then we now that these decimal number how we round, and at the end we just now the addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. The last second last is multiplying decimal and dividing decimal, and the last one is your just a moment. And the last one is estimating and approximately. Now here the place value and rounding, it's our third chapter name. Okay, so here these are the vocabulary word keywords that you will learn of this week. The decimal system is the number system based on 10. So it's all decimal number, they are based on 10. All the numbers can be written by using just 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, there are 10 digits. So with the help of this we will learn the world easiest decimal system used line to represent the number, so that the digit 1 to 9 looked something like this, like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Okay, now here before the symbol zero was invented, the people used a bank space are representing like that. Okay, so they are just representing the these things like that. So many countries in the world use a decimals. Okay, they are using a decimals system for their currencies, where the each unit of the currency is based on the multiple of cents. So they don't have 1 2 3, they just have 10 5 500 200 20. So it's a multiple of 5. Okay, so UK 1 pound is equal to 100 pence. Okay, so here 1 pound, so here 1 euro is equal to 100 cents, $1 is equal to, and here in Saudi 1 real equal to 100 cents. Okay, here is the bag where he mentioned the different currencies and different countries logos. Here, the first topic of today lesson is understanding decimal. Decimal or number always be a decimal point. This point is called a decimal point. Okay, like example, they give us 12.56 is a decimal number. It is two decimal places. Okay, two decimal places mean after the point two numbers, because there are two numbers after the decimal point. You can write the number 12.56 as a place value like this. Here he mentioned here the position. First of all, you write here point. Okay, and after point you write unit. You start from unit. Okay, and before point you start from tenth. Okay, so after here is 10, so here is tenth. Okay, just put th in between n and s. Same thing you are doing with hundred and thousand, and here hundred and thousand. So here we will place after point 2, so I put after point 2 and then 1, and same as it is 5 and 6. So here our example, first example, like 3.56 kg, that is a weight diagram. Show the parcel that weight is 3.465 kg. Write down the value of each of the digit in the number. Let's suppose what is the number of this three, this that is unit. After point, that is 4 is the tenth, then hundredth, and then thousandth. Okay, so we put here th. So here the same thing, 3.1. Here are some decimal numbers. So write down all the number that have one decimal places. First you select all those number that just have one decimal places. Like let me show you just a moment. 1 minute. Yeah, one decimal places is first one is this. Okay, this will have one decimal places, means after point one number, one digit. This one is also one decimal places. Okay, and there is no more. Okay, so second one, he said three decimal places. Now we are selecting, I'm just changing my color of this box. Let's see. Now I take a black color. Okay, now let's see, three decimal places. This is not, this is two decimal places, this one is third, this one is also three, and then this one is also three decimal places. Okay, so same like this, after point I just find the number that has three number after point, so that it means this is a three decimal places. Let's see the answer, either we are right or wrong. Look at here, 5.156 double triple seven, and look at a three black and two red. Okay, so now the next thing that we will discuss is write down the value of the red digit in each of these numbers. So what is this number? The first one is 10th, so I write here 10th. Okay, 10th. Next one is 10th. I never put as, but you must put. Okay, next one is 10 tenths. This one is the thousandth. Thousandths. Okay, next one is 7 is hundredths. And the last one is unit. This one is thousand, 10,000, 10,000, thousands. Okay, let's see the answer is right or wrong. It is 10,000s. Okay, so this one is 10,000, this one is thousand, this one is tenth, this one is unit, hundred, and tenth. Okay, I hope all of you understand this. So next is, as it is same, you are solving the number 8.953 is the bigger than 8 but smaller than 9. Bigger than it, yes, he's right. Is he correct? Yes. Okay, now where is this question number 3? Here he, there is a mistake. Okay, they just swap this thing. Okay, so this one is question number 4. Yes, the number before the decimal of 8th, and there is 953. Okay, in the number that this will show it is a bigger than 8 but smaller than 9. So that is the answer of question number 3. Okay, so don't misunderstand this, it's by, I'm doing this by mistake. Okay, so as it is same, you are doing all these things. So here we have, now next is, yes, here we have a number like Shams have a parcel of weight of 4 kg 5 hundredth and of a kilogram 500th of kilogram. Write down the weight of sham parcel as a decimal. Okay, so 5 4 kilogram, 4 kilo means 4,000, yeah, 4,000 grams. So here I write here parcel that weight is 4,000. Here we write 4,000, and here he mentioned here hundredth means after point 0.05. Okay, hundredth, 500th of kilogram. Okay, 500th is of kilogram. Kilogram means multiply by 1,000. I think so its answer is 1 2 3. So I think its answer should be 4,050. I think, I'm not sure, let me check. No, they never mention anything here. Sham has a parcel that weight is 4,000 kilogram. Okay, and then He said and the 500th of kilogram. Yeah, it's so easy, not like this, sorry. Its answer is, you can write this in a decimal, okay. So here you can write just like this. It's you like here 5.05 kg, okay, kg. Why kg? Now I will show you. He said unit must be same, okay. So first of all we have 4 kg. Here I write 4 kg plus he said 500, so 0.05 kg, okay. Once we add this, so we will get this answer, okay. So I hope all of you understand this. Now I think we finished this exercise. Here is the answer. This question is not include, okay. And now, next exercise, inshallah, we will try to do this. But just I will tell you the basics of this chapter. Okay, we solve right now. I think there are less questions. Yeah. Okay, half we solved today. Now 3.2. Here he said multiply and divide. Divide by 100, 10, 100 and thousands. So what we will do, let's suppose whenever class, this is so easy. Whenever anything multiply with 10, you just put 0 after that number. Let's suppose here 24 I multiply with 10, so I just, because I know 1 multiply 24 24, but here is 0, so I put here 0. Same like this, if here is 100, so I put 20. If here is 1000, I put 30. And for division the same thing happen here, okay. In according to table, according to this table, so what happened here, let's suppose you have 24 and any number is multiplied with 10, okay. So the automatically behind this 0 there is a zeros, okay. If there is nothing, it's mean after point this all numbers are 0. So this automatically come forward, okay. Any digit that is here, that is come, or your point is moving backward, okay. So anything that is here, that is moving forward, they are moving here. So all the other things, they are moving one step forward. So remember this thing. And whenever we say like here is 0.24, when we multiply with 10, so let's have a 0.24. So what happened, everything is moving one step forward, one step forward, one step. Here is anything that is moving forward, like here 2 is moving here, 4 is moving here. So here is empty, it's mean you put 0 in the, if there is nothing after any number, okay, after points or without points, so it's mean after point there must be a 0, okay. If there is a point and then after this there you have number like 4 I have, so after this it's mean this all is 0, okay. If there is only 24, so after point it's mean all is 0. So class, remember this thing. Here 3.2a. So first example, he just multiply by 45 multiply by 100, as I told you. Now this time two zeros, okay, because there are two zeros. So 100 means these, they are moving two step forward. One time here, then other is here, okay. So then two zeros will come in front of him. Same like that 3.979. So what you will do, once you multiply, so this 7, they are moving one step forward, okay. So 3, its answer is 37.9. Okay, as I told you before, you must try to do like that. And if we are talking about divided by 10, let's suppose you said it's divided by 10. So I have 24 and divide by 10, so it's moved backward, okay. Let's suppose any number you have here for 4500, so he say, I say divided by 100, so it will move two step backward, okay. And any numbers that are here, that are also move two step backward, also move two step backward. So remember this thing. Now here like 24 divided by 10. So what I do here, I just put this after 4 there is a point that is not written because we don't need. But when it's divided by 10, so I move this 4 backward, okay. So my answer is 2.4. Let's suppose here I have 24, okay. So it's mean after this there is a barrier that show point. So once I divide with 10, so automatically this 4 that is moving one step backward, and this 2 is also moving one step backward, okay. So next answer is 2.4. Same like that, if you again divide with 10, okay. So what happened? So this 2, that is let's suppose 0.2 divide 24 divided by 10. So here is 0.2, so it's also moving one step backward, this also moving one step backward, so this 0 also moving one step backward. So here is a point. If here is nothing, so you write 0. Now this is divided by 1000. So what I say, if it's divided by 1000, so it's moved backward. Okay, so how many step it's moved backward? 2, that is moving 3 step, and then 3, it's also moving in the 3 step from its own position. Okay, let's suppose he's in unit. When he go back 3 step backward, so its answer must be in thousandth place, and 3, its answer, its place is hundredth place. So here you can see, so we will send this, how many step, here 3 0, so I will move this 3, like here is a point that is moving 1 2 3. So answer is, like here is a point 1 2 and 3, so point will come here. So same like this, here divided by 10, so this point move one step forward. Okay, so here answer is 4.79. Question number 1, it's multiplied by 10, so this point is moving one step forward. Okay, here multiply by 10, this also moving forward, so 3.79. It's also multiplied by 100, so I just move two time, one time here, next time here. So if here is nothing, so you put 0, so it's 250. Same like that, here it's moving two time, one time, two time, answer is 7. Now this one is divide by 10, so it's moving just one time backward. Okay, when divide, so it's move backward. When it's plus, so it's move forward. Let's suppose here this moves, division questions move backward, and so multiplication questions, they are moving forward. Okay, so the point is moving, sorry, it's a mistake. Now when it's divide, okay, so what happened, the point is moving forward. Okay, and it's multiply, so point is moving backward. So remember this thing. So the same like that, question number 2, Hana, work out the 52 divided by 10 and 4.6 multiplied by 100. Check out her answer of working backward. Work out the answer of these questions. Check your answer by working backward. Let's suppose she's writing 52 divided by 10. So 52, once he divides, so it's moving forward. So as I told you, when it's, sorry, it's divide, so it's move forward. But check, he's multiplying. Okay, once 52 divided by 2 for this, yes, very good. So this answer is right. Same like this, he's multiplied by 100, so its move point is moving backward. So yeah, answer is not right. Why not right? Because it's moving two time backward. One time is here, then here. So answer is 460, not 4600. Okay, so this one is right answer. Okay, now here these are the same like that you are solving. So which number you are putting to make it divide or multiply? Yeah, first one is 45 divided by, class, it's a easy way is, let's suppose here you have 45. Okay, and which number is bigger, 45, and here is 4.5. If your answer is going to be less, so it's mean divide. If answer is going to be increase, so it's a multiply. Let's suppose I write here what I write here I write divide. Okay, here I write which number have divide, no. Yeah, it's also have divide, and no, this is not divide, this also have divide, because this number is greater than this number, this number is greater than this number. So this number is no, no, other than this all are right. Okay, so all the places I put here, multiply, multiply, and multiply. Okay, so as it is same, you are solving the remaining questions. Okay, here are the answers that you can see here. You can divide, multiply, multiply, divide, multiply. Okay, so the other questions you are trying to solve by yourself. Okay, so inshallah in our next class we will discuss all these things, and let's see what will, how we will solve this, we learn all these things. Thank you, take care, goodbye, see you in the next class.